Pocket Osmo Pocket Adventures. Today I mounted it vertically, so it's more like you're holding it, you know, give it the best possible chance it has to work. I flew a bunch out of field. I just flew long range up to the top of the mountain over there. So far so good. I think it works a little better. FPV mode still has some trouble. It tends to jitter and kind of make auto corrections unexpectedly. Otherwise, I've been using it in just standard like stabilize mode, the default, and it's actually working really well. It's just super flat, keeps the horizon in the middle, which I think is going to be really good for like chase style low shots, maybe like following a car or something, just in a straight line. It's not going to be very good for turning. But you know, very specific situations, maybe ridge runs, maybe follow cam kind of stuff. Otherwise, what else? We also stuck it to a wing, Banshee, and flew it just to see what would happen on an airplane. Same kind of thing happened with the FPV mode. It kind of just moves back and forth. I really want an FPV mode that locks the pitch axis. It actually, normal default mode worked really well on the wing. It just stabilized everything out and just made it look like a floating camera. So it's pretty much like a Phantom or a Mavic, but much faster. So day 2 went pretty well. More testing to come, but it's just going to be a work in progress, if anything. For me right now, I'm trying to find like use cases, right? So straight line, follow cam kind of stuff. Down a river looked really cool. Super low flying, I really like the look of. Different uses. If you have any good ideas, please comment below. Otherwise, I'm going to keep experimenting with this because I think it's pretty cool. It's a new tool, you know.